In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Etsy account. If you've decided to leave Etsy or just take a break, I'll walk you through the exact menus to use and what to expect. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in and that any open orders, disputes, or outstanding balances are fully resolved, because those can block the closure. It's also a good idea to save any receipts, messages, and digital downloads you might need later, since you won't be able to access them from your account once it's closed. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Etsy homepage. If you aren't already logged in, sign in first. In the top right corner, click the Your Account icon, the small profile silhouette, to open your account menu. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the main area where you can manage your profile and privacy options. On the Account Settings page, scroll until you find the Close Your Account section. This is where Etsy keeps the tools for closing your account. Click into that area and you'll see prompts that ask why you're leaving. Begin by choosing the general option that best matches your situation. Then select a specific reason if a secondary list appears. This step is mainly for feedback and won't change the process, but it helps Etsy understand user experience. You'll also notice a text box where you can share your thoughts. This part is optional, so feel free to leave it blank. If you do share feedback, keep it short and avoid including any personal or sensitive details. When you're ready to proceed, click Close Account. Etsy will show a confirmation screen so you can double-check your choice. To verify your identity, enter your account password, then click Close Account again to finalize. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that prompt as well. After confirmation, your account will be closed and you'll be signed out. A quick note on what this means. Closing your account removes your profile from public view and stops access to your dashboard. It's different from permanently deleting data, which follows Etsy's separate data retention and deletion policies. Refunds on recent orders still go back to the original payment method per Etsy's rules. If you're a seller, ensure all orders, cases, and payouts are settled before closing. That's the whole process. If you later change your mind, check Etsy's current help resources for the most up-to-date options on reopening or starting fresh, as policies can evolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made closing your Etsy account clear and stress-free.